Have you noticed hair loss, hair thinning, texture changes? Well, I feel ya. I've been chasing this rascal for a decade. This can be caused by quite a few different things, but often we can restore hair loss, slow it down, or stop the progression of this disturbing pattern. Hi, I'm Denise Kennedy, your nutritionist and health coach. Today we're going to talk about hair loss, the causes and the remedies that are held in both nutrition and lifestyle choices. We'll also touch on the main vitamin needed by the body to support hair growth. You know, the condition of our hair is just one more outward piece of evidence of what's going on the inside. And I'm pretty sure that most of the younger adults don't deal with this issue, or at least not at the rate we do at the 50s, 60s, and beyond. Although I am noticing that these symptoms are arriving earlier for many people, even in their 30s and 40s, and it can be devastating. Our Wednesday Wellness newsletter that comes out on, guess what, Wednesdays, this month of May, we'll be focusing on nurturing our hair and offering suggestions and tips on how to slow down or restore hair loss. Sign up below to receive our Wednesday Wellness newsletter. Some of the causes of hair loss or thinning can be hormonal changes, certain medications, nutrient deficiencies, oh yes, and our old friend, stress. Whatever the reason for your hair loss, I hate to break this news to you, but there is no quick fix. Reversing this condition takes time, perseverance, and patience. But stay true to the process. It does help. I'm a testament to that. I want to say that as simple as it seems, a healthy diet is the first place to start to improve health issues, including hair loss. In our newsletter, you'll find a list of best foods to support healthy hair. But I want to explain here and now that hair, skin, and nails are largely made up of a protein called keratin. Keratin is generally divided into two types, hard and soft, where soft keratin is produced by the skin and hard keratin is produced by hair and nails. And the key vitamin to help support the production of keratin is biotin. And eating specific foods is the best way to get biotin in the system. Check out our newsletter for the longer list of foods that provide biotin. But a couple of them are egg yolks, nuts, and seeds. When it comes to supplementing with biotin, that's also fine, and I do personally take some biotin supplement. But the body actually uses food in a different, more effective way. So take a look at the list and eat your way to healthier hair. There are some natural remedies to help stimulate hair follicles and hair growth. Scalp massage, proper hair care. And the newsletter, you'll find a great all-natural hair and scalp mask that leaves your hair moisturized, soft, and silky. Try it out. And then a word about stress. If you worry about hair loss, that only makes the problem worse. Worry and anxiety tax the body. It takes energy away from healing and proper nutrient assimilation. It can be very depressing to see your scalp when you once had thick, beautiful hair. I know it personally. So it's natural to be upset about this plaguing issue. However, the best thing we can do is to give the body what it needs to repair, including healthier healing thoughts. So replace your worried and anxious thoughts to change your health for the positive. How can we do that? Meditation, prayer, thankfulness. And this can't be a one-time act. This is every day throughout the day. This needs to become a state of mind, calmness, and thankfulness. And when it comes right down to it, we have to love ourselves, hair or no hair. Our contribution to those around us and our sweet spirit helping those in need is so much more important. God created each of us designed for a purpose. We have to stay healthy and vibrant to fulfill that purpose. Let's get serious about our health and wellness. Let's start today. And don't forget to sign up for our Wednesday Wellness newsletter, where you'll see more detailed information about hair loss and best remedies. You'll be glad you did.